Ever stop to really look at an acorn? I mean, really look at it. It's just a little brown nut, right? Wrong. Acorns are tiny powerhouses, packed with history, hidden talents, and even a little bit of magic. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these unassuming nuts to uncover what makes them so special. Imagine a world without oak trees. No majestic giants casting shade in our parks, no sturdy wood for our homes, no acorns for anything, really. Seems bleak, doesn't it? But oak trees, and by extension, acorns, have been vital to human civilization for millennia. From ancient times to the modern day, these little nuts have played a surprising role in our lives. History. Ancient connections. Let's rewind the clock. Long before humans built cities, oak trees were revered. In ancient Greece, they were sacred to Zeus, the king of the gods. In Celtic mythology, the oak was a symbol of strength and wisdom. And for good reason. These trees are incredibly long-lived, some even reaching 1,000 years old. They've witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the changing of seasons, and the evolution of countless species. Acorns is food, but the story of acorns and humans goes beyond mythology. For centuries, acorns were a crucial food source. Indigenous peoples across North America and Europe knew how to process them to remove the bitter tannins. They ground them into flour, roasted them, and even fermented them into a type of alcohol. Acorns provided sustenance during lean times and played a vital role in the survival of many communities. Acorns in art and culture. Acorns have also inspired artists and craftspeople throughout history. They've been used to create jewelry, decorations, and even musical instruments. In some cultures, acorns are still used in traditional ceremonies and rituals. Their symbolism of longevity, strength, and wisdom continues to resonate today. The oak tree ecosystem. Now, let's shift our focus to the ecological importance of acorns. Oak trees are keystone species, meaning they play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their massive canopies provide shelter for countless birds, insects, and small mammals. But it's the acorns themselves that truly fuel the local wildlife. Squirrels, deer, bears, and a wide variety of birds rely on acorns for food. In fact, a bumper crop of acorns can have a cascading effect on the entire food chain. Acorns and biodiversity. The diversity of oak species is also crucial for biodiversity. North America alone is home to over 90 different oak species, each with unique characteristics. This diversity provides a vital source of food and habitat for a wide range of wildlife. It also helps to ensure the long-term health and resilience of our forests. Acorns in modern times. You might be surprised to learn that acorns still have many uses today. Some chefs are rediscovering the culinary potential of acorns, incorporating them into innovative dishes. Acorn flour is making a comeback, prized for its unique flavor and nutritional value. And let's not forget about the wood itself, which is still highly valued for its strength, durability, and beauty. Acorns and conservation. As we face increasing environmental challenges, the conservation of oak trees and their ecosystems is more important than ever. Supporting initiatives that protect oak forests helps to safeguard biodiversity, combat climate change. So, the next time you see an acorn lying on the ground, take a moment to appreciate its significance. Remember the ancient wisdom it embodies, the vital role it plays in the natural world, and the potential it holds for the future. And maybe, just maybe, try roasting a few and see what you think. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.